Welcome. Today we discussing next application conical pendulum. In previous period we discuss number of application of the uniform circular motion, vehicle along a horizontal circular track. Then next well wall of depth. Another next vehicle on a banked road, horizontal banking. Then now today we more discussing about the conical pendulum. We know that pendulum or simple pendulum, we already know pendulum. What is meant by pendulum? In this case, pendulum take a string, its one end is attached to rigid support. Here, rigid support. Other end of the string is attached to the point heavy mass, that is bob. This is the simple pendulum. When the bob take one side at here and then release, what happen? The perform to and fro, number of oscillation, vibration. Here consider A point, here B point, B, here O. In four path, O to A to O, and B to O to B, and again B to O. Here perform one oscillation or one vibration. That is called simple pendulum. Then here given that explanation about what is given the explanation. A point of mass connected to a string and suspended to rigid support is called pendulum. And if the string is made to oscillate in vertical plane, as like in vertical plane, is called simple pendulum. Here discussion simple pendulum. This article we discussing more in next article, next chapter. Then here we discussing conical pendulum. The conical pendulum is as same way. Here take this bob at one side and perform horizontal circular motion and release, we get as like cone. So it is called a conical pendulum. See in below diagram in case here shows this is the conical pendulum. In this case also the spherical bob take one side here at B point given and then revolve in circular cone as like, in such way that from the conical pendulum here shown in figure. Next, here given nextly, one minute. The explanation of this figure. S is the rigid support and small l is the length of the string. Here not shown here. Small l and S is support and capital L is the total length of pendulum. That means small l plus r, radius of the bob, not this radius. This radius is circular path of the cone. Here not shown this radius of the bob. It is called the total length capital L. याला कॅपिटल एल म्हणतात. इथे तो स्मॉल एल रेडियस ऑफ द बॉब दाखवलेला नाही आहे, डायरेक्ट कॅपिटल एल दाखवलेला आहे. नेक्स्ट, एच इज द हाईट. H is the height and V is the velocity, linear velocity here, and R is the horizontal circle which are shown in figure, and angle is here cone angle theta shown above at rigid support, and W is the weight of the bob. Here shows at point B, just momentarily stop the bob, that is shows here. mg weight of the bob which is directed downward direction. Now consider a bob of mass m revolving along the horizontal circle of radius small r, which is shown in figure. Next, theta is the vertical angle of cone. Now, here take T naught. T naught is the tension which is along to the rigid support in the string. Upward direction ni tension दिसतो इथे. हा टेन्शन बॉबला वरच्या डायरेक्शनने ओढतोय आणि बॉब डाऊनवर्ड डायरेक्शनने इथे वेट अप्लाय होतोय टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ. तर इन केस T naught resolved into two component, we see already in banking of road the normal is resolved into two component, as like also T resolved into two component. Also we discussed in previous article in case two cases banking of road. As similarly here the tension T naught resolved into two component, that is in case given T naught cos theta which is directed upward direction and balanced to the weight. So T cos theta is equal to mg. These two are equal. Now next component of the T, its next component T naught sin theta, and which is directed towards the center of the circle, this circle as shown in here, and which is equal to the centripetal force. T naught sin theta are balanced to the centripetal force here given that in below. Next in page, let T naught is the tension in the string directed along the support S, and it is resolved into two components. And that component given, one is T cos theta, it is balanced to the weight mg. So here given equation number 1. And next component T sin theta, it is opposite to the centrifugal force. Centrifugal force and centripetal force are equal but opposite direction. Centrifugal force outward direction along the radius increasing, and centripetal force along the radius towards the center. But here we are taking centrifugal force opposite to the T sin theta. Therefore, here centrifugal force are two expression we know. One is mv square by r and another is mr omega square. Here we get equation number 2. Then equation number 2 and equation number 1 divide to each other. We get the expression T sin theta divided by T cos theta. Here write correction TO, also above TO, take correction in your note. Next thing, the another side centrifugal force divided by weight of the bob. The mass can be cancelled. The remaining value can be right here, v square by rg, rearranging. And we know that sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. We get this expression tan theta is equal to v square by rg. This expression as same the banking approach. There we also determine two different quantity, velocity and angle, banking angle or angle of banking from this expression. Now we here taking the second expression. Here cancel, the remaining term here given that. And also here not write sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Right here same, only tt cancel. We get the expression sin theta by cos theta. Consider 1 minute. We get sin theta by cos theta. Then rearrange the value of sin theta by cos theta. Right here only take in case omega square. 1 minute. Closing this, let one minute. Here we given the expression omega square is equal to, rearranging the value here, take only side change, g sin theta by r cos theta. But we know in first article we discuss omega is equal to 2 pi by t. So the value of 2 by t here put in case, here next term 2 pi by t, and this term can be write in case root. Then rearranging value t upon 2 pi, reciprocal, take here reciprocal, also take the reciprocal of under root r cos theta by g sin theta. Next term, take only t. What is t? T with the here not tension. T is the time period here given here. Different t. T is the time period of conical pendulum. The time period of conical pendulum can be write 2 pi r cos theta by g sin theta in case under root. Now determining the value of r. What is r? R is the radius of the conical pendulum, and this can be determined from this figure. Take the triangle, S support, C center, B another extreme point. See in figure, take triangle. Which triangle? SCB, SCB, and to determining the radius by using sin theta. Now take the sin theta from this triangle. We can write from this figure sin theta is equal to r upon capital L. Therefore r can be write as here L sin theta. This value put in above expression, in this case r, the r replaced by L sin theta. Then this putting term we get t is equal to 2 pi under root L sin theta. This value is r, and remaining value cos theta by g sin theta. So here sin theta by sin theta can be cancelled. Only remaining in under root L cos theta upon g. That means we determine the conical time period of conical pendulum, t equal to 2 pi under root L cos theta upon g, where L is the total length of the conical pendulum, g is the acceleration due to gravity, and theta is the vertical angle of conical pendulum, and t is the time period of conical pendulum. Then in exam can be explained the question, define period of conical pendulum, write definition, and obtain the expression for its period. Up to this expression can be asked in exam for 3 or 4 marks. Definition 1 mark, diagram and explanation 1 mark, and derivation and result time period total 4 mark. The definition, how can write definition of period of conical pendulum? How can write? You write must be as like a conical pendulum is a heavy metallic sphere, small sphere suspended by lightweight and slightly extensible string from a rigid support and whirled round in a horizontal circle with a constant speed. This is the definition period of conical pendulum. This definition can be asked for 1 mark in exam. Also, this question can be asked in case of frequency of conical pendulum, or question can be asked define frequency of conical pendulum and obtain expression for its frequency. We know about the relation between frequency and time period of conical pendulum as like reciprocal to each other. N is the frequency of conical pendulum. It is reciprocal of the time period of conical pendulum. The value above the time period put in this expression we get as like N is the frequency of conical pendulum is equal to 1 upon whole divided by 2 pi under root capital L cos theta upon G. It is also rearranging, it can be write as like N is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root G upon L cos theta. This article can be asked in case of period of conical pendulum as well as frequency of conical pendulum for 3 or 4 marks. Here the article end. इथे आर्टिकल संपतो. 2 प्रकारे क्वेश्चन असं विचारलं जातं 3 किंवा 4 मार्काला, तर त्याची तयारी तुम्ही ठेवावी आणि हे होमवर्क दररोजच्या दररोज तुम्ही काय करावं, लिहून काढावं आणि याची एक्सप्रेशनची लिहून प्रॅक्टिस करावी. तर इथे आजचा क्लास थांबूया. उद्याच्या पिरियडमध्ये आपण नवीन आर्टिकल शिकणार आहोत, व्हर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन. आतापर्यंत आपण ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ युनिफॉर्म सर्क्युलर मोशनचे पाहिले वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे. आता उद्या नवीन टाईपचा आर्टिकल व्हर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन. इथे थांबूया आपण.